It is I, Rami. There will be a silver lining for what is to come, just as there have been silver linings for many events, ranging from natural or man-made disasters to pandemics. The question of, how can this show me what's true, is the one to always remind yourself of. Consumerism and materialism have built a false reality to match the great false identity. They create more and more division and separation between the haves and the have-nots. People even ask if God likes some over others based on their buying power. This is what will change. We would like our Christ offices to give themselves some time to adjust, and then take the bull by the horns and embrace the new way. No one is being punished. It will just be a new set of opportunities to promote growth in humanity. If any of this is sounding familiar, that's because it will be. History repeats itself. Conditions will be like that of the Great Depression in the 1930s. Financial instability and scarcity of goods will revisit the earth, and this will in turn cause great political unrest. Humankind will miss the point and see how wrong the situation is, and then blame it on whoever is in charge politically. Don't fall into the blame and shame trap, Christs. There is no one to blame, because we are ushering in the time of Christ and showing the time of me, myself, and I, the door. We are in this together. Rami.